had to restart the recording. I found a pan. I'm gonna put this thing in, put some with some mineral spirits, let it soak. But I was able to get this thing to start peeling. So we got to get some good, peel action going here. A little heat loosens it right up, and it's gonna come off in one ring. Oh, that's great. Yep, a little more heat and she'll be done. And yeah, there you go. Hell yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put this under here, let it soak in a bath of mineral spirits overnight, and hopefully that'll loosen up the adhesive easy enough to just scrape it off. We'll find out tomorrow. Okay, we're back. We're gonna do some cleaning on this thing. Really just need to clean up the spider landing. Everything else is good. Here we go. Okay, spider landing's pretty much cleaned up. That's it. I really can't do a whole lot until the new spider shows up, besides clean the cone that I got soaking over there in the mineral spirits. So I'll work on that in a bit, but we'll do that tonight. All right, take her easy. Okay, we're back with the 10W7. This thing has been soaking. Forgive that was ghetto, but it works. It's soaking in mineral spirits, all this old adhesive. The cone and dust cap have been soaking in this adhesive for 24 hours now. So I took a look at it a second ago, and yeah, this stuff's just falling off. So, oh, look at that, just grossness. All right, so we're gonna get to cleaning up, do a little cleaning up on it. Got lots of rags ready. Oh, that's so gross. I mean, it's half that is just clean. Oh, godly. Oh. I mean, yeah, it's just falling off, but it's gross. Wow. Hey, if you're the guy that rebuilt this sub and you're out there, maybe you're watching this video, hey, you're an idiot. Do better. little repair job there. No big deal. Update. Still got to do some more cleaning inside here. It's fine, but there was a split here, a little crack. I don't know what happened. Maybe previous dude took a knife and it went into the plastic. Hopefully you can see that. I don't even know. There, whatever. Right there you go. So a little bit of a cut into the cone, but got that sorted out with some CA glue. Should be solid for a very long time. I might run a bead on the backside here too. But with the glue that'll be over it, with the foam on there, probably should be fine. Okay, back here, got the cone mostly cleaned up. But what I want to do now, coil's in good shape. I don't want to mess with the coil. What I'm going to try and do, because I do need to replace the spider on it. Obviously, I cut the old one out. I'm going to very carefully try and all the way down, get a nice flat surface for the new spider to land on, to glue down to, and we'll take it from there. So, don't want to replace the coil. So we're going to try real hard not to damage, not to damage the coil. There we go. Let me turn the compressor on. It's going to be loud for a minute. Alright. Good and glued. Got a couple of globs there, but it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Got rubberized cement under here, and then the CA glue there. So she's ready to go back in. I'll have to shim the coil to make sure everything stays lined up. So I'll get some pieces cut for that and get some of this crap out of the way. Okay, so here's what I did. I have this thin film right here. It's thin film. It's I think it's for like DIY miniature picture frames. So instead of using glass, you use this thin film, peel off the little plastic cover, whatever. So I got some of this on Amazon, and I cut it into strips, shorter strips. And what I'm going to do, between the top plate of the magnet and the basket, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. So there's 6 spaces you can wedge these things in. So when I do that, I'm going to come in through here, then angle them down, and then push them down in there like that. Leave a little bit of a tail sticking out. You don't want them going all the way in, because then you're not going to get them out. You get them in there like that. And you're going to put 6 of them in there, evenly spaced. So then you can shim the coil and get everything lined up, evenly spaced. Way easier this way. All right, here we go. now with those little plastic shims in there, once you push this in, it'll be lined up on 6 sides. There you go. So then when you glue your spider in, everything's going to be good, lined up. Okay, everything's lined up. I've flexed it up and down a few times, just to keep everything happy, everything lined up. You have the leads lined up here where they go. We're gonna start gluing. Just a few pieces at a time. We're not gonna do a whole stretch, just a few spots. And what we'll do also, let's pick it up a touch. Oh yeah. Oh, that lines up real well. Hell yeah. Cool, so spider's glued. Need to do some more cleaning up here. When we glue the surround on. Once the surround's on, we can pull these shims out and glue the cap back on. So hey, we're almost done with this thing. Only took me a few days. Not too bad.
Come true.